Hey everyone, Brendan from Brinkley RV here. I'm going to be showing you guys how to select your TV for the living room and the garage so you can play it through the interior speakers. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and power on the TV, and while that's powering up, we're going to go ahead and power up our head unit. Hold the power button. Alright, so I have the TV volume all the way down because once we pair it, if you have the speakers going and the speakers on the TV, you do get a little bit of an echo. So I have that turned off. So to change from source, I'm currently on FM. You're going to press the source and power button, just press it. It's going to come up for all of our different options. I'm going to choose TV main, press the main button in once. And I think I have volume all the way set off. Boom. And now we're on the TV. So it'll be playing whatever's on this TV in your main living room speakers. Now to change to the garage TV, you're going to press that source button again and go one over to TV garage. Press the button in, and now we're on the garage TV. So it's going to tell you what zone you're in on the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Right now we're in the garage TV.